in the Triba News. As always, Triba News will report the hottest and the booming news of the day for our viewers. Today, the latest news on the natural disasters that occurs in the Mekar Asih area in Sumedang. These natural disasters occurs at 7 o'clock this morning. Detailed conditions will be reported directly by my colleague from the scene. Go ahead, Purota. Okay, thank you. I'm Purota from Triba News. Today, I was at the scene of an earthquake disaster in the Mekar Asih area of Sumedang. This earthquake occurs in this morning at 7 o'clock a.m. Thankfully, there were no casualties and residents only suffered minor injuries. The residents were evacuated to a safe place immediately after this incident. One of the heads of households affected by the earthquake, Ayun, said, "This is actually not the first time that this disaster has happened to us. But even so, I represent the residents of the disaster victims, asking for prayers and help from other residents so that we are always under the protection of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala." Many buildings collapsed and were destroyed by the earthquake. Even the roads were damaged by the disasters.
The head of the neighborhood also said that the previous earthquake caused more damage than the current one. Stay alert wherever and whenever you are. Always have disaster preparedness equipment on hand.
Viewers, let's help and pray for the victims of the disasters. May they always be given enjoyment and protections by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And also for the viewers who want to help donate some of their property can directly contact the number listed below. Thank you. I'm Purata reporting live from the scene. And back to the studio. Okay, thank you. And that's the news, viewers, of the natural disasters that occurred in Mekar Asih, Sumedang. Let's move on to the next news after this commercial. Thank you.